Hi all, ACCA is going to introduce a major change for strategic professional optional exams. For the papers AFM, APM, AAA, these changes are going to be applicable from September 2022 exam session onwards. But for the paper ATX, the changes will be only applicable from June 2023 exam sessions. All of the optional papers are going to be tested in a single exam structure. There will be only two sections for whole optional papers. Section A and Section B. In Section A, there will be only a single question worth 50 marks. In Section B, there will be two questions and each of the questions worth 25 marks each. Now here, you might, at least few of the students might feel that there is no much change compared to the earlier sessions in this exam structure, especially for papers like AFM. But listen carefully. Please listen very carefully. See, the major difference, that's what I'm going to explain now. The major difference is actually for the marks what you are going to be awarded for your technical knowledge and for the professional marks. Let us consider an example, AFM. Let us consider an AFM paper as an example. Previous sessions in AFM, you will be awarded 96 marks for your technical knowledge and 4 marks will be awarded for professional skills. Now this is going to change. For whole optional papers, the changes, you will be awarded 80 marks for your technical side and 20 marks more weightage compared to the earlier session, more weightage for the professional skills marks. You will be going to awarded 20 marks. And it is, everyone know that this is highly important nowadays. It is highly important for our employability. That's why this professional skills is highly important for our employability. That's why ACCA is introducing more weightage for this professional skills. Now let us consider what all are the key professional skills that the examiner is looking from a candidate. There are 4 key professional skills. Number 1, communication skill. Number 2, analysis and evaluation skills. Number 3, commercial acumen. Number 4, skepticism. When you consider the communication skill, most of the students might misunderstand that you will get you will awarded more marks for your perfection in your English language or English grammar. Please don't take in that way. You will be awarded more marks only if you communicated precisely, clearly, simply with the relevant audience. And when we consider that commercial acumen, you will be awarded marks for the business environment awareness. See, our questions will be real scenario based. So we need to identify which industry our organization is into. What all are the internal factors and external factors? We need to consider that part. We need to be aware about the business environment, what's happening internal and external. So we will include all these points while we answering. That's the professional skills. You will be awarded marks for commercial acumen. We consider communication, I said commercial acumen, and evaluation analysis is quite easy only. The data will be highly scattered in the a big scenario. We need to pull it, compile it, and we need to get into a conclusion with the relevant data only. We need to avoid irrelevant data. We need to pick the relevant data. That's how we will do a perfect analysis and evaluation. And the final one is skepticism. Skepticism skill means we are not accepting everything what is given in the scenario. We need to challenge, we need to question the assumptions what provided in the scenario, whether it is applicable in a real life scenario. We need to challenge it, question it. That's the skill actually a professional should develop. So these are the 4 key professional skills that examiner is looking from you as a potential ACCA member, ACCA qualified person. What are the 4? Let us come once again. Communication skills, skepticism, then commercial acumen. I left analysis and evaluation skills. Now let us consider. Actually, I previously said in total 20 marks is awarded for these professional skills. How these 20 is split into section A and B. In section A, out of the 20, 10 marks is awarded in section A. Rest of the 10, it is split into 5 each for 2 of the questions in section B. Okay. If you have any more doubts or more, if you require more clarities on this, either you can comment in this video or there is a published article by ACCA itself. You have an access from the ACCA global website, or else I'll provide the link to that document in this video description. So please be aware about all these changes and prepare well. All the very best for all future ACCA members. Good luck.